What's up, guys? Back here with the old extra here. See, got a little dirty, went out riding, so we got the floor painted up, and we're gonna start putting some seam sealer down. You can see, I already got her laid down in there right now, just testing it, see how it's gonna lay down. So we're gonna get that squared up, get that laid down. So I'm using this stuff right here. What's that? Evercoat brush pull seam sealer. Using it with a little 1-inch brush. It's actually going on pretty good, so can't complain. And it's paintable once it's dry, and it's only supposed to be about an hour, 2 hours for setup. So once that sets up, we'll get it back in here and give it a nice little coat again. So we got it in here, so figure give you all an update while I'm putting this in and see how it goes. So give me a few minutes, I'll be back with y'all. All right, y'all. What's going on, guys? Well, as y'all can see, as a time lapse, I don't know if y'all can see it. I ain't good at this editing crap, but see, look at me putting the damn light behind the camera, can't see nothing. But anyways, I got that all laid down all the way around, and yeah, I did it up here everywhere I welded. I did it. So, and then it's extra thick on this side here because I replaced the inside panel of the rocker, so that's why it's so thick. So anyways, wasn't too bad. That Evercoat, whatever it was, where is it at? That Evercoat brush pull seam sealer stuff works pretty good. So I don't know if y'all looking in for some stuff. That stuff's pretty good. I got it off Amazon. I think it was, I don't know, $20-$30. So, but it goes on, lays down real easy, doesn't dry too fast. So anyways, yeah, I added some flares on the front. So haven't done the back yet because we're going to fix the rockers down here. Get rid of, let me see here, get rid of that rust hole right there. So we're gonna do the 2x6 rockers on it, so y'all stick around if y'all want to see that. Cut all that out and weld in new rockers, and then we'll put on the back flares because those, they're actually molded to the body, or well, the cheapy ones you have to mold into to the body. So right now they won't just go on. I have to do the body lines into them and all that. So I'm gonna wait till I get the rockers done, and then I'll trim them to fit, because I only want to put them on once, seeing as we gotta drill into the doors and stuff to put them on. And I'll have to trim the flares back here because we cut and folded back there. So that's in a later video. But the next one y'all will probably see is the rockers getting cut out and getting those put in. But yeah, we added those flares on. I don't know, 4 or 5 inch flares, something like that. They don't look too bad, you know. Decent. Keeps the mud from flying off. So, and what else I've done? It's been a while since I posted. Oh yeah. Went ahead, got rid of the stock track bar and put the rough country adjustable, what was it? It's like 2 inch to 6 inch adjustable lift or track bar in there. So pretty nice, haven't had no problems. Got rid of that crappy little drilled my hole for the stock track bar. So and then I stuck a locker in there. I didn't even film that. I should have filmed that. Wasn't even thinking about that. But we put a Spartan locker up front here, changed out the carrier bearings, but took her out a couple weekends ago. She does pretty good now. She pulls pretty hard. So, and down in Florida, all we got is mud and water down here, a couple hills here and there. There's those flares from this side. I don't know, I'm filming on this GoPro and the damn screen done went black, so I don't know what I'm showing y'all. Yeah, so we had a track bar in there, put a locker in there, did the U-joints up front, you know. It's got adjustable uppers, it's got rough country lowers on it, but she does pretty good. I mean, can't really complain. You know, old 4.0, she likes to leak a little oil, so she isn't the best. She knocks a little bit, you know, but still doing good. I put some bump stops in there. I freaking was cutting up the tire and got up into some hills. I don't know where the hell is that? Right there. Cuts in there. Had her all flexed up, so got some bump stops to fix that issue. And anyways, this is just more about the floor, so we got that all done. I was showing y'all how that went, and it's pretty easy. Seam filler, I don't know if y'all ever laid some down, but if y'all looking for some of that stuff, it look like it worked pretty good, and we'll get it painted up once it dries, and you know, it'll look all right. Guys, well, we got the floor installed, we got it all seam sealed up, and hopefully that's going to keep some of the water out, and I don't know, keep back with this. Probably have a trail riding video coming up next, and then the next how to, or whatever you want to call it, video, I guess, fixing the old shit box videos. We're gonna fix, like I said, the rust down here. We're gonna put some 2x6s in there and weld them all in. Y'all stick around, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, share. You know, let's get this channel going, and maybe we'll get some good things going on with this Cherokee. All right, y'all take it easy.